beautiful soul. This is Nancy and welcome to this magical day. So we will see what does the June month have in hand for us. We'll see what's going to happen. Okay, so you can choose pile 1, which is A to J, or you can choose K to R, or you can choose S to Z. So here we go. We'll go with the 1. Okay, we'll go with the first one. Okay, so a lot of thoughts. Okay, you will be thinking into some things which you have missed out. You'll be a little confused. Okay, and it can be whatever you're facing through right now. You will be thinking that all the opportunities are closed and you are not finding out a way, but trust me, you're just going to only feel that, and that's not the truth. The truth is there would be a way out of each and every solution. It is only you're being guided. You're being guided to that solution. You're being guided. Those ups and downs, thank you angels, those ups and downs are making you really think a lot, making you really go deeper into yourself. But in that thoughts, in that thinking, you are completely feeling missed opportunity. You're really feeling, can you just see how it is? You can see these 3 cups. You are looking at these 3 cups thinking that I do not have any opportunities, I cannot see any option, I cannot see what's happening. Okay, but you do not know that there are these 2 cups behind you which is already standing. Cups can be emotions, cups can be some kind of offer, cups can be some things which you feel that you have missed an opportunities. Okay, so you do feel that everything I have missed in life, but yes, there is 2 cups and those 2 cups are here. It is balancing. It is balancing by this angel, by the divine, by the higher self, by your consciousness. If you go deep inside within you, you will understand there is so much of greenery, there is so much of opportunity, and you will know your potential. So do not be worried and do not be confused and sad. Whatever happens, it happens for a reason. Yeah, you can see there is, see you can see there is this tall, beautiful, everything is ahead of you, but you're only looking down and seeing that I have missed this opportunity, and you're not seeing there are these beautiful 2 cups. Isn't it so beautiful? So don't worry, June month is going to have so much better things for you. Okay, and it's fine. We all go through it, right? It's nothing that you have to worry or be scared of why things are like this. K to R. So whoever's name starts from K to R, this is for you. Okay, so you're very hard working. There is some kind of some kind of thing you wanted to manifest. You wanted to manifest wealth, you wanted to manifest your life, career. There is so many things which you're thinking of manifesting, but you're working very hard for it. Right now in June month, you are trying your level best to achieve whatever your goals and your dreams are. Okay, so you are working hard to achieve and to keep yourself busy, so your mind won't be caught up or held, thank you angels, held in things which you don't need to, right? So you are kind of keeping yourself very busy and you're manifesting things. You are manifesting into this beautiful light and the growth. You can see the flowers. You can see the flowers blooming. Yes, and you have completely control over yourself. That's very beautiful. And you're just having patience. Okay, you're having a very patience, thank you angels. You're having a very kind feeling towards this June. You're having enough of patience. It's not that you want to rush into things. Thank you angels, you're not rushing into things. You're understanding why situation is taking place, and that's how you are okay with it. So this is very beautiful. This one is S and Z. So what do we have here? Okay, Four of Swords. You are thinking and so worried and having sleepless nights. Do not worry, sweetheart. Do not worry, because this is life, right? And I do understand everyone is facing a lot. We all are. But yes, you do have your power. Whatever you're thinking, ups and downs in life, and you're having sleepless nights, guiding you to give you some kind of confidence to walk forward in life. You are going to achieve what you want. So do not worry. Do not worry about what's going to happen later, because you are going to achieve what you want at the end of the day. You are going to go into the victory. Okay, so this June month is kind of going to give you some kind of victory, and right now you are holding on and you're having sleepless nights, you cannot sleep, you're thinking a lot, but it's fine. You are being guided. You are being, you have this kind of a good luck with you, a lucky charm kind of thing. It can be angels, they're showing me that something you keep it very close to you as a lucky charm. Okay, so those things are making you and keeping you safe from this feeling which you're going through, and you're feeling very helpless. Do not feel helpless at this moment, because yes, there is a beautiful new day here. You see, it's dark. Yes, this is the sleepless nights you're having, but when you get up in the day, you are completely fit. You are completely like, I am in the victory. I have got this, what I need to. Because when the day comes, you have forgotten about all the sleepless nights, and you're feeling that, okay, I cannot do anything. I've just surrendered to God, surrendered to the universe, surrendered to whoever you feel. Okay, but at the end of the day, you are being guided and protected in a very beautiful way. So this June is going to be beautiful and bright for you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you. Bye bye.